Good morning and welcome to Equipment Remarketing. We're taking a look at a 2014 utility, 36'6" by 102 steel wood. Beautiful unit, folks. As you can see, it's been turbo blasted, primed and repainted. Kingpin plate has been checked and verified. Has front counterweights in it for you for the 36-foot length to have your Moffett or Princeton or Load Mac or any other forklift available that we have on our website. Brand new buyer's toolbox, aluminum outer rims, brand new rubber, universal mounting kit, carry a Moffett, Princeton, Load Back, many other brands. 80% to new, brakes and drums. As you can see, this unit will carry a Moffett, a Princeton, a Load Mac, many others. Take a look at our website, 99lifts.com. You can pick out a lift or give us a call, 260-238-4998, and we can help you through that process. Aluminum outer rim, brand new rubber, 80% to new, brakes and drums. Brand new straps, refurbed ratchets on this unit. Excellent condition on the wood. Everything's been primed and repainted. This is Equipment Remarketing. Give us a call at 260-238-4998. Take a look at our website, 99lifts.com.